Alright, hello and welcome to Camel Finance. I'm your boy Camel, and I forgot to add the viewer requested charts into today's episode, so I just thought I'd do that now since I've remembered. These are the charts that have been requested, so let's get into it. Starting off with Lockheed Martin, this is how I see it. So we got this trendline support. All the while we're above this upward sloping pink one, then I think we could remain in an uptrend. We will need to confirm that by holding this and breaking out the downward sloping pink one. If so, I guess we could get long in this neighborhood. I don't really see a problem with that. Here's Chipotle. All the while we're above that, then we're still in an uptrend, aren't we? I much prefer that we are above this here. We're above this local higher now, at least. So long as we can stay above this neighborhood here, as long as we can hold that and remain on top, then I would say this is just a breakout of the all-time high, a hard retest looking for resumption higher. If we were to lose this green horizontal line, we would want to see this pink one hold for sure and then work our way back up and go, and the long could come from a break back above the green one. That's how I see Chipotle. Amazon looks pretty good to me, right? There's definitely this area of interest. I'm going to label it as that. Something like this in this neighborhood. But get above this neighborhood here, and potentially even we could squeeze this down a bit. Get above here. And I think that all the while we're above the upward sloping blue, we should continue to push on. So this could well, especially if CPI is low this week, I think this could certainly move higher. That's what the indexes are pointing at least. Needless to say, we don't want to see a loss of upward sloping blue support line. Fubo, not a very nice looking chart, to be honest. Not the sort of thing I like to get anywhere near. I would want to see this level taken out, a flip of this range breakout. So similar to that Bitcoin chart, right? We've got this big range forming at the bottom. If we can get above that and then start an uptrend, then the long can come from a break above, but I would want to see the top of this. This is not for me at all down here. The next one is open. So open, you can kind of see it's done it, right? Here's the range break. So we leave a bottom behind, flip the resistance into support, come back for a back test, now looking to resume higher. So all the while we can stay above here. If the thing is bullish, as we have indeed confirmed the bottom, but get back below this pink line, and I personally wouldn't want to be anywhere near open. So here's RIVN, and you can see we've clearly made a bottom, gotten back above it, and arguably we're trying to do the same thing at this level right here, right? Right here. So breakout, hard retest, meaning we come back below, now back above it. All the while we're above that, we have a chance at moving higher, but start to lose these green horizontals. And again, I wouldn't want to be anywhere near this. I don't much like these beaten down charts. I much prefer to find a chart that looks the complete opposite to this. So Amazon, for example, you can see here with Amazon, it's been in a big, powerful uptrend. So all the while it keeps making a way up, pulling sideways into a base, breaking out, pulling sideways into a base. If it breaks out and continues, I'd much rather be a breakout buyer of strength than I would try to be a bottom fisher on weakness. So this can certainly rocket out of here. That's one possibility. But most often when you see a chart that's this beaten down, what I find tends to happen is an awful lot of this before eventually some more of this. So personally, as a breakout trader, I want to see strength and then buy dips in that uptrend rather than look for weakness and try to fish the bottom. We could possibly also make the argument that we've got this sort of situation, something like this, a bit crudely drawn. And if that's the case, then we of course have breakout retest looking for that resumption higher. So there are multiple long theses to be had here. But again, like I said, I personally much prefer to find a strong uptrend and buy the dips or the breakout above the local highs. So here or here. That's just how I prefer to do it. So I hope that covers it. Let me know if you have any more. And until next time, I'm your boy Camel. Take care. Bye.